personal care travel size toiletries are offered in a wide variety, each with unique features, benefits, and prices. I did a massive amount of research, reviewed a ton of reviews, and pad up a list of the best travel size toiletries from trustworthy brands to assist you in making a decision. After extensive investigation, I discovered these goods to benefit people like you. If you're curious to learn more the price and other information, be sure to read my description. Without further ado, let's watch the video. Keeping your locks in place while traveling can be challenging. You don't have your usual hair care arsenal on hand to control frizz or dryness, and trust us when we say we know how bad hotel shampoo can be to keep your hair looking good. We highly recommend you find a travel size shampoo that is designed for your specific hair type. The shampoo you use can set you up for a great hair day and also keeps your scalp healthy. Travel size shampoos are great to keep handy because they are designed to meet airline regulations, no more being stopped in the TSA line. If you don't know what travel size shampoo to choose from, let us help you out. Check out our guide below for tips when choosing a suitable option for your hair type. Travel size shampoo buying guide. Travel can be hard on your skin and hair, causing dryness. This applies to your scalp too. In addition, long hours of travel can leave your hair feeling greasy and you feeling a little icky. When it's finally time to freshen up, you want to make sure you have something easy to use without compromising hair health. Any good quality shampoo should be formulated with scalp care properties to nourish from root to tip. Here's what to look out for when choosing a travel size shampoo for your locks. Choosing for your scalp type. A healthy scalp is essential to healthy hair. Consider your scalp type when choosing the right shampoo for you. Dry scalp. Dry scalps are more prone to be flaky than other types and may feel itchy or a little tight. Some shampoo ingredients can cause the scalp to dry out further, so you want to look for products that incorporate natural moisturizers, amino acids, vitamins, and antioxidants. Choose shampoos labeled as hydrating, smoothing, for curls, and moisture retention. To avoid further drying and itchiness, it is best to avoid products designed as volumizing or strengthening, as well as anything that contains sulfates. This strips the scalp and hair of moisture. Individuals with oily scalps are prone to develop greasy hair in a day or even less of washing. This can be annoying when you don't have a chance to wash your hair over long days of traveling. Dandruff can also be present in oily scalps. Your aim here is to prevent excess oil production. However, using products that will dry out your scalp may have the opposite effect, so be careful. Avoid products labeled as hydrating, moisturizing, or curly hair shampoos. Curly hair shampoos are generally designed to add moisture. Choose shampoo designed for balancing, strengthening, or volumizing.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button, press the bell icon, and comment below. Check out the description to find the product link.